Hello guys, today we will be making barbecue chicken wings. For this recipe, you will need about 1 pound of chicken wings, some oil, about 1 tablespoon. Next, you will need about half a teaspoon of California garlic powder. Next, you will need some ground Himalayan pink salt. You can use this or kosher salt as a substitute. You will also need some pepper, ground pepper. And last but not least, you will need some baking powder. Baking powder is the secret tip to making your barbecue chicken wings more crispy. I would use only a pinch or so. You can use how much you ever like. And this is an optional ingredient. You can use some smoked paprika to make your barbecue chicken wings more spicy or give it more flavor. I'm going to use about 1 pinch. You can choose how much ever you want. Now all that is left to do is mix. While mixing, be sure to gently mix them so you won't tear the skin apart. As you can see, everything has been mixed now. All we have to do is put it on the baking tray. Keep your bowl aside and bring your baking tray. What you have to do is grease it with the butter so your chicken wings don't stick to the pan. Once everything is greased, all that is left to do is get the chicken wings and put it in the pan. Carefully put them into the pan. You don't want them to rip apart. Now that everything is placed, it's ready to be put in the oven. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, now we have made the sauce. To make the sauce, you will need some hot sauce, about 1/4 cup hot sauce. Next, you need about 2 tablespoons of honey. And you will also need 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter to make it more creamier. If you want to make it a little more spicy or give it more flavor, you can also add some smoked paprika as well. It's been 20 minutes since we've been baking these. Now it's time to flip these around to cook the other side. It's been 20 minutes since we flipped the other side. Now it's time to put it on the wire rack. Now that it has cooled down on the wire rack for about 5 minutes, it's time to dip them in the sauce.